Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
I'm please send the attendance list.
Yeah, I am set.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning, bacha. Are your preparations going on for exams?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in any of the instruction regarding your exam, beta?
No, ma'am.
मैम बस वो एक बात थी मैम कि कल काफी सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे थे कि जो है वो फॉर्म वो जो हम करेंगे अपलोड वो जीमेल पे या फिर क्लासरूम पे
Beta, Google Classroom,
ma'am,
are you all able to do? I just wanted
मैम
to
वो थोड़ा
confirm.
टाइम लगता है मैम
बहुत मैम टाइम
वो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है उसके अंदर अगर अच्छा नेटवर्क भी हो तब भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है
Actually,
टाइम लगता है उसके अंदर
Google Classroom is easy to manage. All your work will be at one place for teacher also, for you also. But when you are sending through mail, teacher has to download and the work will be scattered badly. It will be scattered. Google Classroom place, everything is organized properly. It's organized better. You can. We will. Don't worry. We will share. We will share the password also, email ID also for the teacher. Okay. We will share the email ID also.
मैम क्योंकि मैम सेकंड ऑप्शन के लिए रखना चाहिए ना कि अगर उसका ना हो तो
मैम क्योंकि मैं जब अपना काम पोस्ट करती हूँ ना मैं टू डू में जाती हूँ तो मेरे सारा काम बचा हुआ है पर मैंने सारा काम पोस्ट किया हुआ है
वहाँ पे teacher will create the assignment also. Like I have to create, then only you can post. मैम वहाँ लिखेंगी ना, post your PT2 PT1 maths paper here. तभी आप वहाँ पे attach कर पाओगे. तभी कर पाओगे ना attach. Ma'am has to create that attachment for you. Ma'am has to create that. Otherwise कहाँ post करोगे? ठीक है कि नहीं?
मैम कैन यू रिपीट
हाँ जी मैं कहती गूगल क्लासरूम में टीचर विल हैव टू क्रिएट दैट असाइनमेंट फॉर ना कि लाइक सपोज व्हेन आई विल हैव माय मैथ्स एग्जाम आई विल राइट देयर पोस्ट योर मैथ PT1 पेपर हियर तो आप वहां पे अटैचमेंट आपको मिलेगा ऑप्शन वहां पे अटैच कर सकते हो आप ठीक है कि नहीं अदरवाइज वेयर विल यू पोस्ट यू कांट पोस्ट हैप्पीहैजर्ड ना यू हैव टू पोस्ट एट सम प्लेस मैम विल क्रिएट दैट जैसे मैम होमवर्क देती है तो वहां पे आप पोस्ट कर सकते हो ना उसी दिन का होमवर्क उस दिन 20th को होमवर्क 20th को 21st का 21st को like that or you can mail also we will share the email ID also of the teacher like
सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के ओके
जैसे संस्कृत का होगा तो I will share Sanskrit ma'am's ID, like that. Who takes your Sanskrit? Simi ma'am.
Simi ma'am.
Yes, 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 yes. We'll continue with the exercise. Once we are finished with the exercise, we'll again go back to our quiz which we did yesterday, and we are going to discuss the questions also. Okay.
Ma'am, I have marked the attendance.
Very good, very good, very good. So I can see 31 participants. I'll just wait for 1 more minute. 30 students. 30 students. Who was the last one to enter? Nihal?
Yes,
Yeah. Here we don't come to know the participant list should be either, I feel, alphabetically or according to time. But it comes a haphazard. I don't know why. Either it should be according to the time you enter, or it should be according to your alphabetically it should be arranged. Like roll number 1 should be at roll number 1.
Yes. Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
मैम जो आपने अभी पेपर्स के बारे में बताया, कैन यू रिपीट इट बिकॉज माय नेटवर्क वाज वेरी लो एंड वॉइस वाज नॉट कमिंग.
Yes, yes, sure, definitely, beta. I was telling you, did you all go through the instructions we sent? Yes, the instructions
Yes,
were
yes,
that we will have 2 Zoom sessions. In first Zoom session, we will have objective type of paper. In second Zoom session, we will have subjective type of paper. Okay, ma'am will send
80 minutes.
Yes, 80 minutes, 40 and 40. So in 40 minutes, you will also mark your attendance. You will also mark your, then we will start the paper, like everything would be there. Na? It is not complete 40 minutes. You know that. So you need to be a little faster. And before you, your Zoom session gets over, you have to send the paper also for subjective paper. Subjective paper, you have to click the pic of the work. Please do your work systematically, properly. Write names on every sheet. Suppose you're using 2 sheets to answer. Write names on both the sheets. Okay, name, date, class, subject. Please mention on both the sheets. And show me the
So,
blank.
ma'am,
Hanji.
Can we use?
ma'am, can I speak?
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
मैम मैं कह रही थी कि मैम लाइक माय मदर इज वर्किंग सो आई एम यूजिंग ऑन माय फादर्स फोन. ही डोंट हैव गूगल क्लासरूम, सो कैन आई सेंड ऑन योर मेल or you or we have to send on Google Classroom only?
You can send on mail then. I'll then arrange for the mail ID also. I will arrange for the mail ID.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot.
Hanji.
Ma'am, is it necessary to do it or do on sheets, or we can do it on register?
Yes, ma'am. Please say.
Sheets पे better रहेगा बेटा. Take out the pin page from the register and you will show me the blank sheet. Then I will allow you to start the work. Then I will allow you to start the work.
Exam sheets available in the market.
Hanji.
Ma'am, can we take rule sheets, A4 sheets?
Rule you can choose ruled A4 sheets.
Ma'am, that we have a copy, can we take out a pen and take out that?
You can.
मैम जैसे मंडे फ्राइडे हमारा पेपर है, बीच में क्या मतलब जो बीच में हॉलीडेज मिलेंगी तो उसमें सुबह की क्लासेस तो होंगी पर शाम की भी होंगी.
Sham ki I will ask. Okay. I remember something, some other in some class group also children were asking. I will ask. I hope now I should start my class. 31 children have joined. Still 9 children have not joined. 10, 41 is the strength. 10 children have not joined. I was thinking now the attendance would be full. Exams are approaching. Now let me start where we left yesterday, and we'll first recapitulate. First, we will recapitulate. Kashvi is joining right now. Kashvi has joined right now. Can you all see the PPT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will first wait. I will start with recapitulation of angles, then I will start. This was the slide where we learned different type of angles. I am recapitulating. This is vertically opposite angles, that they are 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 8, 6 and 7. Then corresponding angles 1 and 6, 4 and 8, 2 and 5, 3 and 7. Then alternate interior, they form Z, 3 and 6, 4 and 5. And all these angles are equal when the lines are parallel. Last is an alternate exterior, means 1 and 7, 2 and 8. But only next one property which you have to recall, we have to apply also, that interior angles on the same side of transversal, their sum is 180, like sum of 3 and 5 is 180. Sum of 4 and 6 is also 180. I hope I am able to recapitulate. Can we move to the questions now? Student, should I move to the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, we
ma'am.
will do now. Third question, we will start with third question. First we have done. This was a checking of parallel lines.
Black is appearing on the screen.
That is the video panel of you people.
Ma'am,
I
you
like
can
this.
remove that.
Yes, I will. Question number 1 was done. Question number 2 was done. Now we will start with question number 3. This is very, very important. In this question, one angle is given to us. And let me just show you the question. One angle is given to us. And we have to find the remaining A, B, C, D, E, and F angle. And there are many ways of doing this. And there is no unique way of doing it. Ma'am will show you one of the way. But children... Yes, bolo beta. Yes.
Ma'am, can we do?
Wait, beta. I'll ask some of you. Now, I was telling you that we can do this question in different ways. Like somebody may like to find first E, then F. Somebody may like to find first F, or somebody may find even D first. Let me just explain a little bit. Then you can start. How can we find E? Somebody will tell me how can we find E?
And the sum of 125 degree and E is 180. So
Very
we can
good.
subtract a 180
Very good.
from
One of the ways is this.
NCERT का question है.
Anji, NCERT question only we are doing. Yes, Rachit is very correct. That sum of E and 125 is 180. Children, before answering your work, tell your name, because video panel मैंने hide कर दिया. आप लोगों ने मना किया ना? I have hidden the video panel. So speak your name, then I will ask. Then tell.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Manas.
Chawla, Manas.
Manas. Because you have to tell. Just now I tell. Please
Okay,
speak
ma'am.
your name, then tell. Hanji, bolo Manas.
Okay. Ma'am,
Bolo.
angle 125 degree and angle D is equal, ma'am, because they are on the same side of the transversal. Ma'am, angle
Yes.
125 degree and
that is
angle D
also
are
true.
equal.
They are corresponding
That is also
angles. You have to speak
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this. They are corresponding. We have to mention
And
the
that's why they
reason.
are, yes.
We have to mention the reason everywhere. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, or like Rachit, I think gave first answer. E can be found by linear
Yes,
pair.
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
F can be found by linear pair.
Ma'am,
Either.
मैम और जब E की वैल्यू आएगी तो मैम A की भी वैल्यू आ सकती है फिर.
हाँ. This
जब
is
E की
what.
आ जाएगी तो A की भी आ जाएगी.
This is what the series will go. Okay.
AB भी आ जाएगी.
हाँ. So I am showing you one of the way which I have done. One, please note down this way. Afterwards, you can also try out your own ways. Like somebody is telling me to start with E first, or F first, or D first. It's up to you. I am showing you one of my way. Am I clear? Let me show you one of the way I have done. First, I have calculated E by linear pair. Copy down, children. Rachit, I think, gave this answer. That E can be found by subtracting 125 from 180. And that because of the reason linear pair. Because of the reason linear pair.
And the degree of E is 55. I've calculated that.
Yes.
Ma'am, so the degree of A is also 55.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait,
because
wait,
E and A are
wait,
equal.
wait, one by one. Now I have done like this. E and F are same because they are vertically opposite. So F will be 55. Now A and F are also same. A and F, they are alternate angles. I have tried to use all different type of angles. You can use other way also, but I have tried to use all different type of properties. A and F are alternate angles, so they are also 55. So C and A are vertically opposite. They are also equal. Then D,
125 and
125 corresponding angles. Then B and D are equal, vertically opposite. So this way, we could find all the angles. Nikunj, Nishtha, are you all understanding, beta? It's not that very easy. It's not very easy. Please understand. Note down. Try to do it on your own also and check your values. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, beta. Then note down. I am waiting. Note down.
मैम मैं सबकी वैल्यू बताऊं दोबारा?
हाँ बताओ. हमने निकाल लिया. Can you see on the
E की
screen?
वैल्यू, yes मैम we can.
Yes.
मैम E की वैल्यू 55 है, F की वैल्यू भी 55 है, C की वैल्यू भी 55 है,
Yes.
और A की वैल्यू भी 55 है.
यहाँ पर ऐसे
और जो
निकलेगा.
D-
हाफ एंगल
और जो
55
D-
के निकलेंगे और हाफ एंगल 125 के निकलेंगे. ठीक
और
है.
जो D और B है, D और B आपका 125 है, क्योंकि वो
Yes.
D और 125 सेम है और D और B भी सेम है.
Very good. Very good. Nikunj, were you able to do?
Ma'am, yes.
Nishtha, were you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Something has appeared on the screen.
Beta, I have to mute you people because there was a lot of disturbance from the back. That box was coming because I was using a Dropbox to mute you people.
Ma'am, dance is fast.
Very
Done
good.
the answer.
Very good.
Yes ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Beta. Let me just go for the next question then.
Ma'am, done. I'm done.
Because you are having your cycle test, so I will not take test of this chapter. I will take this test of this chapter afterwards. Okay. Once you are finished with your cycle test. Otherwise, we have done one quiz yesterday that also made some of the concepts clear. If you want, I can share that quiz again with you. You can do at home also. Again, you can cross-check your answers. Okay. I'll assign it again in your Google Classroom. Now, next question. This is question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figures. And we have been given L is parallel to M. If L is parallel to M in the first part. Now let's see. In the first part, wait.
110.
Let me just first discuss. Now, there is no relation between 110 and x. There is no direct relation between. Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, they are making a Z.
No,
Ma'am,
no. Z would be on this angle. हाँ बोलो काशवी।
मैम 110 माइनस 180 होगा।
हाँ 180 minus, because we either we find out this angle first. Let me tell you, this one.
And we L1 L.
There's no L angle.
180.
This angle, we have to name this angle. Yashna बोलो, Yashna।
हम कुछ ब्लैक आ रहा है, दिख नहीं रहा
The black वो आप लोग की वजह से आ रहा है कि आप लोगों ने you have raised your hand. Somebody had raised the hand. You can speak your name and can speak. Tell your name, then you can try out. Can I say?
काशवी।
मैम
ऐसे
Kashvi बोलो Kashvi।
मैम मैम x के साइड वाला 110 से कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग है, तो उसके वो भी 110 नहीं होगा, एंड देन वो और x लीनियर पेयर है, तो फिर 110 180 माइनस 110 विद बी x। मैम इनडायरेक्टली वही हो जाएगा।
Applaud for Kashvi, or this angle can also be found. Like Rachit was saying Z, ये वाला एंगल निकाल लो जो 110 के साथ में है ना, वो लीनियर पेयर से निकाल लोगे तो वो और ये वाला एंगल ऑल्टरनेट बन जाएगा।
L वाला भी निकल जाएगा, जो एंगल है वो भी निकल जाएगा।
मैम 110 से वो भी निकल जाएगा।
हाँ L नहीं है बच्चे, उसको नाम देना पड़ेगा आपको। L तो लाइन का नाम,
मैम वो
लाइन का
x
नाम
का ऑल्टरनेट एंगल, x का ऑल्टरनेट एंगल भी निकल सकते हैं।
Yes, either you find alternate angle of x or you find corresponding angle of x.
alternate angle.
Both can be used. Let me see what I have used. Let's see. Let the angle opposite 210 degree be y, opposite. So y would be 110. I have found out this vertically opposite. And x and y then would be sum as 180. That can also be done. Sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal. So x will come out 180 minus 110. These questions can be done in different ways. I have used vertically opposites and co-interior कहते हैं इसको. Or some children were telling me linear pair and corresponding. Some children were telling me linear pair and vertically opposite, like that. Now, finish till question number 1 or first part. Hanji, Rachit was saying something.
I was saying that मैम जो 110 के साथ वाला है, उसको अगर हम 1 माने पूरा, तो अगर हम 180 को 110 से माइनस करें तो लाइन L मतलब जो जिसे हम y ले रहे हैं उसका आ जाएगा।
बोल तो रहे हैं हम, we can do with corresponding angles a linear pair.
जैसे
और मैम जो लाइन L है और जो एंगल x है वो सेम ही होंगे क्योंकि मैम वो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग है।
हाँ वही तो बता रहे हैं हम। अगर आपने
मैम जैसे y की वैल्यू आएगी तो हम x की भी बड़ी आराम से निकाल सकते हैं।
और मैम फिर जो x की वैल्यू आएगी उसे 180 से माइनस कर देंगे क्योंकि जो x वाला
एंगल है वही किया बेटा, मैंने निकाला है पहले वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट. I have found this angle, this one. Can you see the arrow?
Yes ma'am.
I found this angle first, और फिर इस वाले एंगल का और x का सम 180 होता है. ये हमने प्रॉपर्टी की है, फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है, इन दोनों का सम 180 होता है. Copy down this. You can do the way you are saying afterwards in your practice copy. Right now, I want the same work to be done by everybody. And either you use linear pair first, then corresponding, linear pair first, then alternate, or vertically opposite and co-interior. Both, all the three methods are correct. All the three methods are correct.
मैम ये आंसर 2 भी आ गया नीचे.
गलती से आ गया, कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry. We do.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में 2 ट्रांसवर्स हैं.
Yes, here let me tell you. T and M are also parallel. A is a transversal. If T and M you take parallel, B is a transversal. Or if A and B are parallel, M is also transversal and T is also transversal. There are many sets of parallel lines and transversal in second part. I'll again repeat.
X की वैल्यू तो आ गई 110 ही तो X की वैल्यू.
हाँ, by corresponding angles. हाँ जी मानस.
हाँ मैम corresponding.
बोलो.
मैम मैं भी सेम ही चीज बोल रहा था मैम की 100.
मैम आंसर तो इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो गया फिर.
100 आएगी
तो सही लगी. ये आपको 70 एंगल सिर्फ कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया गया था. 70 was not to be used.
मैम I was also saying that.
Yes. Finish this, beta. I think there are 2 more parts that you will do in homework. 3rd and 4th you will do in homework. Let me check whether I have done. I don't
I'm done
remember.
हो गया. एक लाइन का ही आंसर है.
Ma'am, done.
Pranay, what is happening to Pranay again and again? He's getting disconnected.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranay is there?
Yes, ma'am.
How come we have another Pranay? Let me check. I will check. Pranay, have you joined with two gadgets? Pranay, have you joined with 2 gadgets?
No, ma'am.
I'll check. Wait. Let me check first. Where is Pranay? Pranay, yeah, this is Pranay. Pranay, put your video on. Pranay.
उसने अपनी वीडियो ऑन कर ली है.
एक और Pranay I saw just now 7th Pranay 7th B. Who is this?
हम प्रणय जलूत्रिया लिखा है.
Just now I saw somebody in waiting room. Pranay 7th B. He is not connected. Not connected. Pranay 7th B. Just now I saw Pranay 7th B. That's why I at times lock the meeting. I find it little more convenient. Right now I cannot see, but just now I saw in waiting room Pranay 7th B. I thought he got disconnected.
Somebody is trying to enter the name Pranay.
Anna, this is what I am saying.
Yes, ma'am. I think you should kick that person out of the waiting room.
Let me check. Has he joined?
Not yet, ma'am. 34 participants till now. Ma'am, 33.
33. Along with me, they are 34, na? Along with me, they are 34. Here I cannot see second Pranay. Like I want to see who is second Pranay.
हम कोई भी नहीं है सेकंड प्रणय, सिर्फ प्रणय जलूत्रिया है.
Only one Pranay Jalutria.
But right now in waiting room, somebody was knocking with Pranay 7th B. Okay, let's concentrate on work. Leave it.
And maybe he is entering in a different device.
Okay. Now look at this question. This is also one of the very important question here. Here, BA. Please look carefully. BA and ED, they are parallel and BC is a transversal. ठीक है? Please ध्यान से सुनो दोबारा मेरी बात. BA and ED, they are parallel and BC is a transversal. And second time we will take BC and EF as parallel lines and ED is a transversal. Can you visualize what I said?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's see the question. And we have to find both the angles here, DGC and DEF.
मैम जी के तो 70. मैम जी के तो 70 से माइनस करके निकल जाएगी ना.
माइनस नहीं करेंगे बेटा. G and 70. What is the relation with G and DGC and ABC? Who will tell me what is the relation between ABC and DGC?
मैम ट्रांसवर्सल सेम है. मैम we have a transversal.
Transversal same है.
So
Yes,
what is
ma'am,
the relation? I am saying relation क्या है?
Ma'am, I think the angle of these GC should be 70 degrees.
Yes, but reason is important.
70. मैम 70 और जी दोनों corresponding angles हैं.
Corresponding angles हैं. Corresponding angles हैं. ठीक है? They are corresponding. Given AB parallel to DE, BC parallel to EF, angle ABC is 70 because they are corresponding angles.
हम कुछ black
70 degrees corresponding angle.
Yes. So in second part, DEF is also 70 degree because it is equal to DGC. There again, first these two are corresponding, then these two are corresponding. Okay. I hope you all can see my mouse moving. I'm showing it. First, in first part,
we can see.
this one and this two angles are corresponding. For second part, this part, angle DGC and DEF, they are corresponding and equal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
मैम जी और ई की वैल्यू निकाल दीजिए.
निकाल दी बेटा, निकालिए ना दोनों वैल्यू. 77. No calculation was required. Only reason was important. Only reason was important.
70.
Ma'am, done.
All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Okay, let's see. Question 6.
Done, ma'am.
आपको 6 क्वेश्चन में आपको बताना है. We have to check. This is the checking of parallel lines. Whether L is parallel to M or not. First part. How can we check?
L and M is corresponding angles.
No, there is no angle L be Rachit. ये दोनों angles का देखें.
Line.
No, they are not parallel.
Do you remember 4 checking rule? There were 4 rules. Fourth rule was that sum of co-interior angles should be 180 degree, or we can say sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal should be 180. अगर दोनों को पैरेलल प्रूफ करना है तो इन दोनों का सम 180 होना चाहिए. Let's see.
मैम नहीं है.
हाँ.
Ma'am, 170.
Yes, sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal निकालो. 126 plus 44, it comes out 170, which is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. Am I clear, children? Please go through this question again. I am saying this exercise is not easy. This chapter is not easy at all. ये बहुत मुश्किल chapter है comparatively, because these are all the concepts are new. आप first time कर रहे हैं सब कुछ. ठीक है? Please note down.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
done.
need to draw the figure. I just
Ma'am, done.
Figure you can draw even after, in case you are left out, because you have the book with you. You have the book with you.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, second part. Look at second part. In second part, X and 75 are related. We can find X. They are vertically opposite. Then we can apply this. Once we have to find vertically opposite, then we can apply these two sum. अगर इन दोनों का sum 180 आएगा, then we can say it is parallel. They are parallel. Let's see.
Ma'am, X and 175 degrees alternative interior.
X and
175 degree, ma'am, which is on the line M.
No, they are not all correspond. Alternate तो ये वाला और ये होता बेटा ये. ठीक है?
Vertically opposite है ना?
हाँ, vertically opposite है. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, we can also
75 होगा मैम.
हाँ,
मैम
this is 75. X is 75. फिर हमने 75 और 75 को ऐड करके चेक किया. We added and we checked. It did not come out 180. It did not come out 180.
हम जब ऐसे पेपर में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तब हम डायरेक्ट आंसर तो नहीं लिखेंगे ना मैम, मतलब
बिल्कुल
ऐसे
ऐसे
करना
लिखो
है।
जैसे मैंने लिखवाया है. व्हाट इज डायरेक्ट आंसर? दिस इज डायरेक्ट ओनली. रीजंस आर, ये ब्रैकेट में जो मैम ने लिखे हैं रीजंस, these reasons are very important, otherwise you will not get marks. These reasons are very important. Am I clear, children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Yes,
Ma'am, we can also do with another way that 75 corresponding and then check.
नहीं बेटा, x दिया हुआ यहाँ पे corresponding से मत करो. यहाँ either here you find x first. Okay, अगर x ना दिया होता तो आप लेते x को, वो आपकी मर्जी थी, आप x यहाँ लेते कि यहाँ लेते. Okay, if x is given, we will find first x, then we will add and check.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Very good.
Please wait.
Ma'am, that
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
What happened?
ma'am, let's
Yes.
do the next question.
Let's see whether I've done. I think I left 2 questions for homework also.
I'm done.
No, we are doing third question. Look at third one. Now here, y can be found by vertically opposite. It is same as the one we have done earlier.
57.
Ma'am, yes.
57 vertically
Yes, ma'am.
opposite. Then we can check
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sum. I hope now my children are understanding. I was telling you when we do more and more sums,
Ma'am,
you
आ
will
रहा
be
है.
able to understand.
मैम मैम आ रहे हैं, 180 आ रहे हैं,
ठीक है.
180 आ रहे हैं.
Children,
They are
I may give some homework today, but because you have exam, don't do today. You can do it afterwards, or I will give it on Monday. Then I will give on Monday. Okay, मैम Monday को homework देंगी, आज नहीं दे रही हैं, आपका exam है ना इसलिए. I've got some work for practice questions, and if you have worksheet side by side, keep on doing worksheet. Don't wait for my instructions. Okay, children. If you have got the worksheet, keep on doing your work side by side on your own. Don't wait for my instructions.
मैम
हाँ जी, मानस,
मैम याशना,
याशना बोलो.
मैम क्वेश्चन क्या वर्कशीट फोल्डर से भी आएंगे?
बेटा एग्जाम तो अभी इसका तो बहुत दूर है, देखते हैं बच्चे क्या होता है. अभी भी हम बहुत will keep a moderate standard. Will not make it very easy and will not make it very difficult also. Okay?
ओके मैम.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am,
Any
ये-
other question?
नो मैम.
Let me see whether I have done fourth part. If you have done, yes, done. Faster करते, फटाफट करते.
I'll
Same.
wait for a minute.
I am waiting because we have less time left. 1 minute left. Either you complete
Ma'am,
it yourself. Same आएगा
Ma'am,
बेटा, same
Z की
आएगा.
मैम बुक से कर सकते हैं, मैम बुक से कर सकते
ठीक है. 72 आएगा बेटा, ये 70 लिखा है ना, 72 आएगा. 72 है. Let me check, make it correct. Wait. Let me make it correct. Oh.
Screen sharing ended.
हाँ. Wait.
Less than 1 minute.
Wait.
मैम ठीक कर रही है.
By mistake, I think. By mistake it happened. Let me just put the 72. Then it's.
मैम 170 आएगा जो 180 के इक्वल नहीं है, मतलब दे आर नॉट पैरेलल.
हाँ. Oh. Yes. ठीक है. Okay, children, I have to stop share and I have to stop the meeting also. I hope you had great time and we are going to learn. All the best for your exam. All the best for your exam. Do well. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless my
Thank you,
children.
ma'am.
God bless.